Have you ever wondered how the invisible threads of networking bind the entire digital world together? Well, buckle up as we delve into the fascinating world of networking, breaking it down into easy-to-understand steps. Networking at its core is much like a bustling city. Imagine roads as cables, cars as data packets, and traffic signals as routers and switches. Now let's break down this city into understandable blocks. The first step in networking is identifying the need. Perhaps you want to share files between devices or access the internet. Just like a city planner, you need to know what your city or network needs to function effectively. Next, you plan your network. This is where you decide on the type of network you need. Is it a small local area network, LAN, for a home or office, or a vast wide area network, WAN, spanning multiple locations? You decide based on your requirements. Once the plan is in place, it's time to lay down the infrastructure. This involves setting up routers, switches, and cabling. Think of it like laying down roads and setting up traffic signals in a city. This infrastructure forms the backbone of your network. With the infrastructure in place, you now need to set up your devices and configure them to communicate with each other. This involves assigning them unique IP addresses, much like houses in a city have unique addresses. The final step is to maintain the network. This involves regular checks and troubleshooting to ensure everything runs smoothly. Just as a city needs regular maintenance to keep traffic flowing, networks need regular care to keep data flowing. So, what are the key takeaways here? Firstly, networking is like building a city. It involves careful planning, setting up infrastructure, configuring devices, and regular maintenance. Secondly, networking is not a one-size-fits-all solution. The type of network you set up depends on your specific needs. And finally, networking is a continuous process. It requires regular maintenance and troubleshooting to ensure it runs smoothly. So, the next time you send an email or stream a video, spare a thought for the intricate network that makes it all possible. It's a fascinating world, isn't it? A world where data packets zip around like cars, routers, and switches control traffic. And every device has a unique address. A world that's always evolving, always growing, and always amazing. Welcome to the world of networking.